This is Scarlett from NM Fire. Our company was founded in 2013. Today we're going to show you our products and factory.
After 9 years hard teamwork, we got fully ranged UL and FM certificate pumps and engines.
Now I'm in the showroom. Here presents almost every series of our products. Let's take a look. NM Fire has full ranges of firefighting pumps like split case pump and suction pump, vertical turbine pumps, inline pumps, and jockey pumps.
We are the first one in the world who manufacture both fire pumps and diesel engines. All of our products have got UL and FM certificates.
Now you can see this is our vertical turbine pump. Our UL and FM vertical turbine pump covers a big range, flow from 100 to 7,500 gallons per minute, and the max pressure more than 20 bar, suitable for clean water and seawater applications. Now, what is shown here is our fire pump package system. The whole package will be tested in our factory before shipment, reduce much on-site work, and can be immediately running. Except the controllers and valves, we made everything in our factory. Now this one is 2-stage split case pump.
The max pressure can reach 600 pounds per square inch. It's very popular in high building projects. We also have the end section fire pump and inline pump.
Now we came to the workshop. Let's go inside and take a look.
It's a big NFPA 20 package fire pump system produced for Kuwait Oil Company, including 3 units of 2,500 gallons per minute diesel engine pumps, which is also the largest scale in the world.
We have 3 testing benches in the workshop. All of the orders have to be tested before shipment. Now I'm standing at the diesel engine testing center. Last year, we produced more than 2,000 UL and FM diesel engines. We totally have 5 testing beds for engine power from 30 to 1,500 HP. Now we came to our storehouse, and this area is for storing our diesel engines. Now this is our training school. Let's go inside to check.
We made this for training our clients and agents. In 2022, we produced more than 2,000 units UL and FM engines, and we have increased more than 60% in the first 4 months of 2023.
Welcome to visit our factory and company. See you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.